Namaste everyone. Myself Arpit Mahapatra of class 8 section A. Today I am here to explain about our science project. Our science project is also made by Anandya Priyadashini, Sumanshu Brahma and Asmita Acharya. And our topic is awareness about water bodies and watershed management of Odisha and Maharashtra. Watershed is a geohydrological unit where water drains into a common point by a system of channels. So, to explain our watershed management processes, we have made two projects related to it. One is drip irrigation and the other one is wastewater treatment plant. Now, what is drip irrigation? Drip irrigation is the process where water is supplied to the roots of plants for the growth. And second one is wastewater treatment plant. Wastewater treatment plant is the process where the sewage water is converted into usable water that can be discharged into environment.
The water which was used in house, school, industries, etc. goes to water purification tanks. In the first tank, water settlement process is used to settle down stones, sand, branches, dust, etc. After that, the water goes to the second tanks in which alum is used. Alum is a chemical compound. It is used in water purification treatment to improve the sedimentation of drinking water.
After the process of screening and sedimentation, the water will flow towards the aeration tank. Now you can use this water in industries, schools, agriculture, etc. And we can also use this water in the process of drip irrigation. In drip irrigation, a delivery of water to plants is done through pipes and valves. The water will flow towards the root zone of individual plants and all plants will be watered without any unnecessary wastage of water. This process is also on benefit for farmers for the watering of crops and plants.
We, the people of our motherland, have become aware to improve and conserve water and use it in an efficient way. We have adopted many improvised techniques in the irrigation to conserve our precious resource. One of those techniques is drip irrigation. So now in the drip irrigation system, there is a network of narrow pipes with small holes in the fields. When the water flows through the pipes drop by drop, it falls directly to the roots of the plant. This water is now absorbed by the soil in the root zones. The advantages of drip irrigation. Drip irrigation provides water in the plants drop by drop, so water is not at all wasted. Drip irrigation minimizes the use of water in the agricultural. Drip irrigation is very useful in that fields.
Major part of Odisha is formed by the deltas of 6 major rivers, the Mahanadi and the Risupilla, etc. Second point, the Odisha has 163 large dams. The famous dam in the Odisha is Hirakud Dam, which is situated in the Mediterranean Sea. The famous rivers that flows through the Maharashtra are Indravati, Godavari, etc. Rivers that flow through the Maharashtra are Godavari and Krishna and Tapi, etc. Godavari is the largest peninsular plateau in the world. Most popular dams in Maharashtra are Ujjain Dam,